To get started with QuantumFlow, you only need two things: a server running Linux and a flow exporter. The server can either be physical or virtual. QuantumFlow works well on either a Debian-based system like Ubuntu, or a Red Hat or CentOS-based system. Regardless as to whether you choose to run this on bare metal, in a virtual machine, or in a Docker container, you will need to run 3 services in total on the server: QuantumFlow, Elasticsearch, and Kibana, the core components to ingest, store, and visualize your flow data. The flow exporter can be any device or software like PM Account that can send network flow data. QuantumFlow supports IPFIX, NetFlow, sFlow, and JFlow. Examples of flow exporters include switches, routers, firewalls, load balancers, hypervisors like ESXi, and tools like PM Account. While the best way to scale QuantumFlow is horizontally, a single instance can handle over 100,000 flows per second, making it ideal for large enterprise environments. Here is a quick sizing guide. You can find additional details in the hardware section of our docs at docs.ou.ai. Generally, each CPU core can handle around 6,000 flows per second with enrichments turned on. So if you're using 8 cores, you could expect to see about 48,000 flows per second. Keep in mind that there are diminishing returns to adding more cores, as shown in the trend line here, so it's more advantageous to scale horizontally rather than vertically. So what if you want to capture more than 250,000 flows per second? Here's the great part. You don't have to keep everything on a single VM. You can break these components apart and run as many instances as you need to handle higher volumes of data. Want more storage? Add more Elasticsearch nodes. Need more processing power to handle more flows per second? Add more QuantumFlow instances to handle extra flow data. This flexibility is how you can scale QuantumFlow to match your network's demands as it grows. So whether you're monitoring a small home lab to understand what's in your network, or you're managing a small, medium, or even large-scale network, QuantumFlow can scale with you, no matter what your needs or flow rate. QuantumFlow is free and designed to grow alongside your network, making it easy to handle any amount of traffic.